Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2018 Kia Sportage? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Sportage. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2018 Kia Sportage contains fuses for various interior components and essential functions. It includes fuses for the instrument cluster, power windows, power mirrors, interior lights, audio system, and other convenience features. Each fuse is labeled with its specific function on the cover, and the panel allows for quick replacement in case of electrical issues with any of these components. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2018 Kia Sportage houses fuses and relays for vital engine and powertrain functions. It includes fuses for components such as the ECM, ABS, radiator fan, headlights, horn, ignition, fuel pump, and air conditioning. Each fuse and relay is labeled on the panel cover for easy identification, helping to troubleshoot and replace fuses related to critical engine and safety systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.